Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show exactly how to disable sound for events notifications on Facebook when using the web version on your PC. If you're tired of hearing notification sounds every time there's an update from events, this quick setting will help you stay focused without distractions. Let's get straight into it. First, open Facebook on your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, go to the top right corner of your screen and click on the notifications icon. This is where you normally see all your recent alerts. After that, look for the three dots icon, which is usually located at the top of the notifications panel. Click on it to open more options. From the menu that appears, select Notification Settings. This will take you to a page where you can control how Facebook sends you different types of notifications. Now, scroll down through the settings until you find the Events section. This is where Facebook manages all alerts related to events you're interested in, invited to, or hosting. Click on Events to expand the options. Here, you'll see a setting called Allow Notifications on Facebook. This controls whether Facebook sends you notifications for event activity directly on the platform. To stop the sound for these notifications, simply disable this option. Once you turn it off, Facebook will no longer send event notifications with sound, helping you avoid unnecessary interruptions while browsing. And that's it. The change is applied instantly, so you don't need to save anything. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more quick guides like this to take full control of your Facebook settings. Thanks for watching.